When is snoring a problem? Snoring is almost always a problem. 37 to 47% of adult Americans snore, and 80% of those who snore have a more serious problem called obstructive sleep apnea or sleep disordered breathing. Snoring is no longer something just to laugh about. Snoring is the sign of an obstructed airway, and that obstructed airway leads to diseases like hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and a number of other problems. So if you snore, you need to have it investigated. And if you have sleep apnea, you need to have it treated.